Hey guys, Rob's Random Stuff here. Gonna do some smoked wings again, this time Jamaican style. What we're using today, Jamaican choice, hot, real thick, and this stuff is pretty hot. This will light you up. So I did use quite a bit on there. And also, just to give it a little liquid so we can stir it around. Delicious local wing sauce. You've probably seen it on store shelves anywhere in the Northeast. Usually carries it. Numerous flavors, really good. So basically I just toss that around. We're gonna let that sit overnight and gonna fire them up on the charcoal grill. Gonna be using cherry wood. So that should give it a nice flavor. Also quite a bit of heat with this Jamaican hot seasoning. It's real hot, so we'll grill those up tomorrow. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, we will may as well make the sauce while those are marinating overnight. So I'll just show you what I'm going to throw together today. I like to do a variety of my own sauces. Start with a base, Frank's regular buffalo. Just so we got a little liquid in there. And some regular old Worcestershire, just a little, don't want too much of that. And a really good flavor, some hoisin sauce. It's actually pretty sweet. It's like a bean type paste. I'm gonna use heaping teaspoon. Throw that in there. And one last thing before we get to use some mango salsa, just fresh, just a bunch of mangoes, a little bit of pepper, no real heat in there, just for flavor, sweeten it up. And we're really gonna kick these up today. Some Jamaican choice ghost pepper sauce, and let me tell you, this stuff is no joke, hot. So we're not gonna go too crazy on that. Gentle, gentle. That's plenty. That's about 1,000,000 Scoville units, so that's pretty hot. Then we'll get a little bit of our mango salsa. Just gonna rinse this fork off. The mango sauce is really good. The sweetness in there is gonna break up the heat of the ghost pepper. Also that super spicy Jamaican marinade that we used. So stir this around, keep it going. I'm not going to use any salt, no pepper, no nothing. There's plenty of salt in the wing sauce. The marinade's got plenty of salt. Hoisin's got salt. Worcester's got plenty of salt, so we don't need any salt. So you see how that looks. I'll give it a little taste test and I'll tell you, do a little pregame here, just take a little taste test. Delicious. Whoa, that's gonna be some hot wings. So once they're done cooking, we'll shoot a video of me eating a couple of them. And you can see my face probably melt off, so that's gonna be pretty hot. All right, see you tomorrow. We'll grill these up. All right, guys, we're back here. Gonna do some indirect cooking today. I already got the wood chips on, so I'm gonna put the bigger ones a little bit closer to the heat source, and then we'll space out best we can without touching. We don't want them too close. I'm just gonna let those smoke away for a bit. Try to close this lid before they catch fire. I had the wood chips soaking for a good half hour, 45 minutes. So they're nice and soaked. So you see those are looking good. Really want to try to keep those as far away from the heat as we can, because we don't want them to cook too fast. We want them to just smoke away. So let's see how this goes. Gonna move this one a little bit. All right, you can see these are all on. Gonna go ahead and cover it up. And you can see the way the lid is. You want the lid kind of above the food with the vent, so the heat gets pulled over the meat and cooks it slowly. We're gonna close this a little bit. We don't want too much airflow in there. We're gonna cook them slow first. Gonna knock that fire down just a bit. And we have the bottom vent closed, probably about the same, halfway, a little bit more. So hang tight and we'll see how these are looking in a few minutes. As you guys can see here, it's got a nice little slow smoke going on. Got the bottom vent opened maybe a quarter of the way, and the top I got open all the way. And like I said, I do have the vent on top of the food, so the hot air gets sucked over the wings and starts to heat them through. We'll check in on this in another few minutes. It's been going about 10 minutes already. I popped the lid. I'm not even near being done. Not even crispy yet, so it's going to take a long time this way, but low and slow, that's how we're doing it. As you guys can see here, it's got a nice little slow smoke going on. Got the bottom vent opened maybe a quarter of the way, and the top I got open all the way. And like I said, I do have the vent on top of the food, so the hot air gets sucked over the wings and starts to heat them through. We'll check in on this in another few minutes. It's been going about 10 minutes already. I popped the lid. I'm not even near being done. Not even crispy yet, so it's going to take a long time this way, but low and slow, that's how we're doing it. All right, guys, as you can see, these are done. It's been about an hour and 25 minutes. Low and slow cooking. See, had those covered. Flipped them a bunch of times. We're gonna just go ahead and plate these up. Skin is nice and crispy. All the fat's rendered down. Again, I used just some cherry wood and hardwood charcoal. Jealous Devil is the brand that I use. Just picked that up on Amazon. It's nice. Nice slow burn, as you can see. It's been going for an hour and a half, still plenty in this little tiny grill. So I will cover this back up. We're gonna go in, plate these up, and sauce a couple up, and we'll do a taste test, see how they came out. All right, guys, we're gonna try out these wings here. I'm gonna try one plain, nice and smoky. Smells really good. Smells just like cherry. You can see some of that smoke penetrated a little bit, not much, but looks pretty good. I gotta tell you, this thing tastes really good. Fall off the bone, literally. Can't really mess around. Literally no skin, it's just disintegrated off there after all that time on there. And with the Jamaican spice, not hot, surprisingly. Maybe a 2 out of 10, not real hot. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna mix up a couple of these. Start off with 3. Do a leg, a wing, and another one. Here's our sauce. Same one we made yesterday. Mangoes, hoisin, a little bit of Worcestershire, just some Frank's wing sauce. Just enough in there to coat them up. And of course, ghost pepper sauce. Probably about 1,000,000 Scoville units is usually the rating. Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less, but no matter what, it's gonna be hot. Nice and coated. Let's put these on the plate here. Put the sauce on top. Don't want to waste any. It smells hot. It's gonna be bad. Let me see, got this nice and coated. All right, let's see how this goes. Great flavor. I'm gonna dip a little more in this sauce. There's some heat. Flavor's overwhelming. Really good. Use that recipe. You will not go wrong. It's gonna be my new recipe. You can always use a less hot sauce for your heat source, but I like it hot. It's getting hotter by the second. That ghost pepper's really kicking in. It's so moist that the meat is just falling off. And that's my counter. I know it's clean, it's fine, I can eat off of it. Let's try to get a bunch of this. Let's do this. Let's get them soaked with the sauce. Let's get crazy here. Dip it right in. Doesn't get any more coated than that. Oh, that's hot. These things are hard to eat. They're just falling off the bone. A little tiny grill is all you need. You don't have to go crazy. All right, I'm gonna finish these wings up. I'll do one more on camera for you guys, because they're that good. I didn't think I was gonna last. We'll see if we can get some heat going here. My lips are on fire. That's some of the greatest sauce I ever had. Really good. Definitely not for the faint of heart. It's hot. It is real hot. Whew, it's hot. I don't care what anybody says. Don't look hot, it's hot. Give this one a little bath here. As you can see, that's coated. That's hot. Addictive though. You know when you start eating something hot and you just keep going? It's when you stop. That's when the heat kicks in. Alright, I barely got a bite. Clean. Alright, I'm gonna finish these up off camera. The heat levels are probably about a 7 right now. It's hot. I'm sure it's gonna get worse. I'll go deal with that on my own. You guys don't have to watch me suffer. Like, subscribe, leave the comments, tell your friends about it. Page is gonna be going crazy all summer with all kinds of grills. Stay random.